So hello guys. Once again, welcome back. I hope you're doing fine. So we're going to quickly go through what happened as from Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. See that? Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Some somebody new to this is going to be very confused because we can see the price action here, not very friendly. But I found a trade. I found one trade, one good trade, just one good trade. You can you can just find, the best trade for you to just keep you off so much stress. So I found one trade. I think it was on Thursday. Friday did not trade because I just I just felt like I should you know be off the market and just relax. If you are anybody who's just coming along here knows that we have been going good with gold, and I have been pointing out every movement that we have been seeing in the market. I have, for those again who are coming right now, I have previous videos that I have gone live demonstrating what will happen on the gold market. So this XAUUSD gold spot US dollar, you can see it's all under, and the market is open. It will close in 12 hours and 20 minutes. We have sell side imbalance here, buy side inefficiency. This is a CB. It's a CB. It's a sell side imbalance. Also include this volume imbalance when you're pointing out that sell side imbalance. You can see that refill there. I That's a good anticipation to see these imbalances being repriced by these all these. You're saying that this was after a very quick downfall to, let's see, 4,402.3830. That's here, this level here, and this is at all-time highs gold. So if I said, I had said earlier that if I want to see price reaching out for this liquidity, because we are we are traders, we are not gamblers. We are trading the market in terms of probability. But how we see the candles print on our PD arrays really improves our chance of winning in this game. I don't know if you understand that. So if I know that the market is reaching out for liquidity, that's either this buy side liquidity or this side liquidity. We have two probabilities. We don't have a million probabilities. Those motherfuckers out there that wanna teach people that there are so many probabilities, and we only have two. And that's why you have a buy battle and a sell battle. All right? Yeah. So if you wanna see the market elevate into this level here, I wanna see it use this sell side imbalance as an IFVG. What does that mean? As an inversion fair value gap. That means it's gonna be used as a stepping stone towards this. And you can see it. You can see how price prints on that sell side imbalance, and then you can anticipate the movement by how the candlesticks are closing and opening on PD arrays. Simple, very simple. So I'm gonna quickly pull out my chart is dirty again because I had to like put this out so that all of you can understand this thing. Um, right there. Not too much. All of these new day opening gaps are quite. We have been having a lot of accumulation. How do I know that? These new day opening gaps are too much, too much, too much, too many, too many, it's too many. Don't mind these here. What I said is I was pointing out is these brown painted CB here. This is a consequent encroachment. You can see that the center of that being used by the market today. See that? Beautiful. Comes touch it just today. You can see that. You will see that. You will see that on the lower time frame. And you can see that I wanted to do this for you guys. You see that level? That there? This is a rejection block. This one here. I just graded it from top to the bottom. It's a down close candle. And we're going up. So I want to see the mean threshold. What does that mean? The the center of that delivery. See that? You see? Do you see how that candle prints just touches it and runs away from it? See that? It doesn't even want to touch it. It doesn't even want to touch it. See this one that opens, just bounces off it, and what we are seeing is that it closes here. So I said I traded on Tuesday, on Wednesday, sorry. This buy here, what we were coming from this for this buy side liquidity here. Where were we coming from? Here, just some random place. Very random. It's very random. Very random. It's very random. It's not random, G. Doesn't even want to touch it. Consequent encouragement. The mean threshold, sorry, because that's another block. Um, so we have this delivery here. Week week opens here. We have Monday, we have Tuesday, we have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And this is where we are today. See the time that I am recording this video? 4:45 a.m. So this liquidity, see that? You see how it was ran? We're going to use that. So see it. Some minor buy side liquidity. It's supposed to be there. It's over there. So we have it there. So I said on Wednesday I bought to this liquidity, and on Thursday I sold off here. I shorted the market. Friday did not trade. I stayed off the market. So this was the daily time frame. You can see where we are. So I say if I want to see the market come to this area here, buy side liquidity, correct that. Buy side liquidity there. It's going to use this brown here, this sell side imbalance here, to reach out for this here. Okay, and you will see that. You will see that. Also, we have these imbalances on the 4 hour time frame. You're going to be used to. If you want to see the market come for this sell side liquidity here or this here, remember these might be See that? I put that, I graded this other block here because it's also a level, and I want to see how the market will react to that level. I don't know if I'm shouting, bro. I just don't have a mic, so I am recording off this off my laptop, so I have to shout. Switch down to the 4 hour. No, I think we're going to continue on the next video. So I'm gonna cut this video short. Okay, for the next video. So stay around for the next video. All right? Yeah.